Dear students, today we will talk about logical operators. So we have learned about arithmetic operators, we have learned about relational operators. So now we want to learn about logical operators. What are logical operators? In fact, you must understand that we want to control the flow. And when we want to control the flow, then we do not want to use only one condition. So one if statement is not necessary. In fact, in our case, we want to use multiple statements. For example, if I want to say that if your CGPA is greater than 3 and your age is less than 20, then you should get the scholarship. So this means we have two conditions, and both of the conditions should be satisfied to fully satisfy the overall condition. And when both of the conditions are true, then we should get the output that you have achieved the scholarship. If either of the condition is false, either his or her CGPA is less than 3 or his age or her age is greater than 20, in that case, that student should not get the scholarship. So normally we have such multiple situations when we want to make sure that all of these statements are true. So such of the operators we studied in computer architecture related modules, which were AND, OR and NOT operators. So you must remember that when we studied AND operator, we write something like this. So for 1, 1, it is producing the output 1. For 0, 1, 0. For 1, 0, it is again 0. And for 0, 0, it is 0. So this AND operator only works when both of the situations or both of the conditions are true. And how to write this code in C++ language, we need to write this statement. So if CGPA is greater than 3 and age is less than 20. So this AND operator, which we learned in computer architecture, this AND operator is replaced or changed using these symbols. So you need to write 2 times AND, and this AND will mean that if this condition is true, so for example, if his or her CGPA is 4, so this condition will become true, and if his or her age is 19, so this condition will also true. If both of the conditions are true, then we will get this message, whatever we have written over here. And the next operator is OR operator. So the OR operator we also studied in computer architecture, that if either of the conditions are true, the overall result will become true. And in NOT operator, we said that it toggles the previous situation or previous state. So for example, if we have true condition, so if you put NOT, that condition will become false. And if we have already false condition and you put NOT before it, it will become, if it was false, it will become true, and if it was true, it will become false. So we have CGPA. Let's say it is 3 and age is 19. So it is saying if CGPA is greater than equal to 3 and age is less than equal to 20, so in this situation you should display the message, you have achieved the scholarship. So any guesses? We have CGPA 3. So 3 is greater than equal to 3. This condition is true. And we have age 19. So 19 is less than equal to 20. This condition is also true. So if both of the conditions are true, we should get this message on screen. So let's try to run it. And yes, we have got this message. So let's try to change one of the field. So for example, if the student age is 21, so in this case, the CGPA is 3, this condition is meeting, but this condition is not meeting. So the age is 21, so 21 is less than equal to 20, this condition is false. So if either of the condition is false, you are not getting the scholarship. However, if you write here the OR statement, or let's do it this way, or age is less than equal to 20. So in this situation, if any of the condition is true, you will get this statement. So as you can see, this CGPA is greater than equal to 3, this condition is true. However, the age is less than equal to 20, this condition is false, but OR operator will give you the overall result as true because one of the condition is true. So you should get the message, yes. And similarly, you can use the NOT operator. So this NOT operator means if the inner side is true, which is the case at the moment, so not true means not true means the false situation. So for example, we can also put brackets for just clarity. So we did not get any of the result because the inner condition was true and we have used not before that condition, so the true condition becomes false. However, if you use and here, so you know that the inner condition has now become false because the age is greater than equal to 21. So in this condition, this is false. However, we have used not outside of this false condition. So the overall result will become true and you should get this message. Yes, we have achieved this message. So this is what we have learned, the logical operators, and we have seen that the logical operators are very important when we want to deal with multiple conditions and we want to control the flow of our program based on more than one conditions, and more than one conditions can be checked simultaneously by using AND operator. So all of the conditions should be true, and multiple conditions can be checked using OR operator, which means any of all of those conditions are true, or you can use the NOT operator to say otherwise, that if the inner side statement, the overall condition is false, that NOT will give you true, and if inside the statement result is true, then using NOT outside will become false.